Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Triumph Tiger. If you've had a Triumph for any length of time, you've probably heard of the dreaded hot start issues. Well, this started with a hot start issue, now it's got a no start issue. That is with a fully charged battery that's just come off the charger and it's just not playing the game. So today we're going to get a Rick's Electronic Motorsports, start the motor and replace what they do.
We?
Oh, yes!
We.
I don't work on motorcycles.
You're involved. So when this bike started having hot start issues, my first thought, like I'm sure every one of you had the same thought, battery.
Danger, danger! High voltage!
Battery was replaced with a brand new one. And it's fine in the mornings, it's hot start. So when you switch it off, switch it back on again, it just will not fire. So, having done the hours and hours of research on the internet, it would appear it's a known issue that Triumph want to charge me, what, $1,200 for the parts?
Seems reasonable.
Denied!
No, but they want to change the gearing of the starter motor so it doesn't happen in future, as opposed to selling me a direct replacement part, which they don't do. So we're going to start by stripping the bike down and see if we can get this starter motor out. Hey, we got the bar out. So it's taken about an hour and a half in total. The hardest part by an absolute country mile was getting the plastics off before we could get the tank off. So plastics, tank, airbox, throttle bodies, injectors out, and then this was wedged down in there somewhere. So we're going to wait for the new part to come in and then get the new part fitted in, and hopefully that'll be working a treat.
One eternity later.
So this new starter motor's arrived. And it's got a 6mm post as opposed to a 5mm hole and a 5mm bolt that came with the original OEM. So we have a drill.
Break it down!
We're going to drill out something. What are we going to drill? This goes to that post.
What size is the drill bit?
So this is a 6mm drill bit.
No, in the
For
instructions.
a 6mm hole. The instructions specify that's a 5mm hole and that's a 6mm post, and it recommends a 1/4 inch drill bit. So we've got a 6mm drill bit, because I don't do 1/4 inch.
1/4 inch would be about 6.8 mils, so
this might not be big enough.
there we go, 1/4 inch hole.
So we spent maybe, what, 2 hours putting it back together?
Yeah, about that.
And then taking it apart, putting it back together, and then taking it apart, putting it back together again. And this time we think it's mostly done. So we're going to go for the first fire up.
Fire in the hole!
Battery's not been charged at all. It's been sat on the shelf for, what, 8 days?
Yeah.
About 8 days.
Oh, we have lights.
We have lights. Fuel pump seems to be happy. So we need the clutch. Fingers crossed. Oh, she fires fast. So the starter motor never turns over that fast, ever. Not even when the thing had 37,000 Ks on it. Pretty happy. She runs. What's the torque there? What's the flashing? That's ABS, that's normal. Okay. So I'm not seeing any fuel leaks. She runs.
And starts.
And turns over so much faster.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. So it's been about a week. I've used the bike for work. I've had absolutely no issues whatsoever with the new starter motor. It's been absolutely fantastic. Hot starts, cold starts, no issues whatsoever. Highly recommended. Rick's Motorsport Electrics from the US. Thanks for watching. Remember, do the like, comment, subscribe thing, whatever that happens to be. And we'll see you for the next video.